I got a package. I got a package. I got a package. Hey, 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 hey. Well, what's going on YouTube? This is what we Josh do, and this is a super exciting video because a decade ago, I got this thing, the Nest Learning Thermostat version 3 or Gen 3 or however you want to call it. Charges off a micro USB. That's how you can tell it's old. And now we've got the latest and the greatest. I got an email about this thing and I ordered it that same day. And then, and oddly enough, after that, Google's like, hey, remember your 10% discount. So I actually canceled that order and reordered it with my 10% discount on that same day. Oh my gosh, that is a very nice looking box. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Nest Learning Thermostat plus Nest Temperature Sensor. Okay. So I guess that's a new thing. Works in Celsius or Fahrenheit. There you go. Google. And then we got some stuffs and things with this. Some stuffs is happening over here. Oh, okay. So it comes with a Nest Temperature. I didn't know it came with a Nest Temperature Sensor. Alrighty. I thought it was saying it was built into it. Manufactured May of 2024. All right, let's freaking do this. Oh, okay. So it's going to open. Oh, look at that. That's cool. That is a unique unboxing experience. Man. So what, now it just kind of slides over this other thing? Maybe, possibly. You got to be smarter than the box, Josh. You've got to be smarter than the box. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so cool. Look at this. You got a big circle and a little circle. Little circle, big circle. Big circle, little circle. All right. Oh man, that is totally different. Okay. That is, wow. And look at that. That's Type C. It's Type C. So you know it's new. Micro old. Type C. New. Totally different. Like, my gosh. So this weighs a lot too. All right, we're going to weigh the old one, which is 204 grams. And the new one is 164 grams. I mean, it's going to be attached to your wall. I don't think anybody cares about how much it weighs. I was just, like, noticing the difference. That is definitely heavier. And looks like it's got a little bit different connector there. Like, more pins, possibly. Like a little bit. It could be the same. It's, I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's a little bit bigger, it looks like. All right, let's plug it in. Very reflective. Like, very reflective. I can see my face. And look, you can see you. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, that looks like much higher definition. Like higher pixels. All right, we're going to open the home app here. And, hey, look at that. No, not a new Nest Mini. We're going to add a device. And Nest partner device. Choose our home, and then it's looking for devices. I probably should have continued with the unboxing before trying to set this up. Set up a different device. Thermostat. Nest Learning Thermostat. Scan the QR code. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so I'm going to have to connect this to the wall and continue. So it needs an R wire for power. All right, we're going to take a look at our system we currently have because this is not being used at this time. This thing has switched apartments with us and been in an old house we were renting. This thing's been everywhere. It's kind of beat up. But it looks like we have a temperature sensor. So you unplug this and it activates like a battery. Okay. And let's go. It's got a little direction thing to turn it so you can switch out that battery. Oh, look at that. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Okay. And then the little thing to set it up. Muy interesante. Okay. And then we get the base. Wow. That's different from what I'm used to too. Oh, it's got a built-in leveler. That's cool. Josh, you're not straight. No. Let me just erase that. Delete. Gone. Never said that. Okay, wow, there's even more stuff here. Oh, that's a big old freaking base plate or something there. Wow, that's compensating. What the frick? Oh, I guess it is kind of a big interesting. I don't know why I enjoy saying interesante versus interesting. It's just like a more fabulous word, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so we got some screws. Very long screws. And we got some little short screws. All right, and then that's it. That concludes the unboxing experience. Unless, nope, nothing else hidden. All right, we do get some instructions. Oh, we get another thing inside a thing. It's like opening a box to find another box. To find another box. Okay, that one's not interesting. All right, so install your sensor. Add your sensor in the app and follow the on-screen steps. Can I do that right now? Oh, it needs the Nest thermostat to set. That's what? Come on. All right, so in here, what's included? Nest Pro installation, g.co/nest/install. So get to know your thermostat, scan the QR code, and we're here to help. And we got some stickers. You remember the door greeter, like how it used to be back in the day? Door greeter has a bunch of stickers for your kids, and all you cared about was little stickers as kids. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna switch over to my phone and record some clips, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so I guess it's really not that big of a difference between the old one and the new one. And then the plate, I don't have the plate for the one right now, but here's the old one, and here's, oh, it comes with also a little like leveler thing. Okay, so yeah, now we're gonna basically come over here and I'll show you, this is what the apartment's provided. They say it's better than Nest, and we just haven't really messed with it. I know you gotta cut the power off before you do anything. Here's my current setup. I have a C wire, I have an RC wire. I don't have an R, but I have an RC. This is a jumper, which doesn't need to be used with the thermostat. I have a W minus or O or 0/B. I have a Y wire, I have a G wire, and that's it. So I've got 3, 4, 5 wires to unplug. So I will use the W1, I will use the yellow, which, why doesn't this have a, why is yellow on the other side? That's weird. Okay. So G's also on the other side. Oh, you know what? This might be flipped around. No, it's not flipped around. Mine are just different over here. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna need that W right there, the O-B, and then, so I got a white, yellow, green, blue, and red. 5 cables to worry about. I'm not an expert, so I'll definitely be watching some tutorials and following the app and trying to get this set up. God bless. So if we look over here, I've turned off the heater and the AC. So these are off. Oh, and the furnace. Furnace is off. And this thing isn't functioning. So we should be good. Pull these off and let's attempt this. No going back now, we're committed. That's actually terrifying. I'm so not a an electrician or HVAC person, or oh, this is actually terrifying. But I've gone too far. I can't stop now. Now I need 2 hands, so I'll be back. All right, step by step. Now I gotta put this and put the wires over it, get each one through. You know how some people say, if I can do it, you can do it? Yeah, that's 100% me here. I am absolutely nerve-wracked that I'm gonna do something wrong and not be able to go back. So far, I've followed the instructions on my phone, because on my phone, on the app, it's telling me what to do. And so far, I've listened. And I'm assuming all that's left now is to just connect this up. And then I have to continue from the app, and we'll be back when it's done. All right, so far in the app, it connected to my Wi-Fi. It had a temperature, and it said no Wi-Fi. And then I selected my Wi-Fi, and now it's downloading an update. So far, the screen looks absolutely gorgeous. All right, and just like that, we are done. We've got a brand new Nest thermostat installed by a freaking scaredy cat. I honestly didn't put my old one in just because I was scared I was gonna break something. I got the thing off, I got the wires, and I was like, oh, these are really hard to get in and out. And that one little plastic thing that was missing is because I wasn't sure if I was supposed to like lift it up and pull it out or push it in, and yeah, so now I can just adjust. What I loved about this is it says, oh, in 1 hour it'll be that, and it's learning. So we can set it to like 73 degrees. So the update is done. Learning. It asked for my Evergy utility bill for like savings and stuff, so that's pretty cool. So the mode, we can press on it and change it. That's pretty cool. It's summertime, so we want heat, hold, eco, fan, and settings. Lock, equipment, wiring info. There's my system. I had 5 wires. It's connected to 5 wires. Yay! Yeah. So I'm just seeing what all there is now. Settings, far sight, device settings, temperature, sound, on, yes. Now let's go back. Let's go back. And then far sight. So you can change the near screen, the sensing distance. What? How far can you go on the distance? Far, near. Okay, cool. So we'll go back. Near screen. Cool. Interesante. Sensing, where did that? Okay. And then the face. Did we do the face? Oh, there's the faces. Alright, and then we should be just about done here. Network, yeah, obviously. We connected it. Done. We're on version 2.1-10. And then, of course, my Nest account, or Google account. I know they switched it. Technical info, restart, Nest Pro, factory reset. Cool! Well, I'm super excited because now I can once again control my temperature from my bedroom while I'm laying in bed, or from my couch, or from my office, or from anywhere in the world. And this is super cool. I'm so glad to have this back. Versus whatever the hell they freaking put in here. And it had some like account you could set up, and my wife tried it, I tried it. You couldn't get the darn thing to remote control, so we had to physically go to it and change the thermostat. Anyways, now it actually works properly because it's Google, and it's awesome. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. This is what Josh do, and I'm out.